Yo! What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We are back with another testing of the Mic Air. But this time, we are doing it with our Ace Pro 2. As you can see, wala tayong Insta360 X5 mounted. We're only using one camera. Run din tayo ng quick errand. Samahan nyo ako sa quick ride. Punta lang tayo sa post office. Pick upin natin yung ating mail. And at the same time, we are testing the mic. Now paired up with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So ang ginawa pala natin, nag-update tayo using our phone with the app. Tapos pinair natin yung Ace Pro 2 sa iPhone. And then yun nga, meron firmware update. Sayang hindi natin na video yung part na yon para mapakita ko sa inyo kung anong version yon. Pero kasi yung Ace Pro 2 natin, I've had it for almost a year now. I think nakuha ko to around end of November, early December. Basta alam ko nagpalit tayo ng camera nearing our trip to the Philippines last year, or earlier this year, kasi February, March pala tayo umuwi. So anyway, this is our second test for the day. Syempre, kahit pa paano, ayoko naman na sablay yung audio natin tapos hindi natin magamit, di ba? So ngayon, itong testing natin na to is the second part. Pero ang nangyari lang, meron tayong sinabay na errand para makuha natin yung mail natin dito sa post office. Ang aming station is the Topaz Station. Let me show you guys. There you go. Selfie mode. Hawak natin yung camera. As you can see, normally pag nakakabit yan, pag naka-line tayo from the helmet, nakakonekta yan sa Ace Pro. Pero ngayon, there's no line. I can even remove this piece. Ito yung adapter sa 3.5 jack para gumana yung ating internal mic. Internal wired mic. So, samahan nyo ako sandali. Pasok tayo dito sa paborito nating post office para makuha natin yung mail. Okay, I hope. Oh, no! Sarado ang post office. Holiday pala ngayon. I forgot. Today is parang, it's like a Memorial Day, I think. 11/11. November 11 is a Memorial Day. Kasi birthday ng Marines. Semper Fi, Marines. Okay, so I guess we're going back home. Na-fail yung ating test. Tignan natin kung kaya natin ng isang video na lang to. Totally forgot about that. So I guess we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow bago natin ma-pick up yung mail. They're closed. Yeah, because it's holiday. Sablay. At least nagkaroon tayo ng dahilan para mag-ride, I guess, right? So yeah, as I was saying, nag-update tayo ng Ace Pro 2. Tapos na-connect na natin yung bagong Insta360 Mic Air. So let me show it to you guys. Ganun lang naman siya ka-simple i-connect. You just have to turn on the pairing mode until parang mas mabilis na blink na blue dun sa Mic Air. Tapos iso-search mo siya dun sa Ace Pro 2 dito sa settings. Tapos punta ka lang sa Bluetooth and then i-search mo yung item. Once it connect, napakadali naman. Then you have to go back dun sa settings. So I can show it to you guys here. And then pagpunta nyo sa settings, makikita nyo dito yung gain adjustment. Meron siyang gain adjustment dun sa Ace Pro mismo, and there's also a Bluetooth gain adjustment. I set mine to negative 12 and the maximum you can go is negative 18. Pero natatakot lang ako na baka sobrang hina na nung pickup nung mic pagka negative 18. Pero hindi pa natin na-test. Right now we're testing negative 12. Doon sa X5 natin, ang maximum I can go down is negative 9. Pero may update din yung X5. So I haven't checked yet. Baka umabot na rin siya ng negative 18. Siguro request ng mga tao yun or something. So yeah, it's that simple. Nothing too crazy. But I think the mic actually works very flawless. Super ganda ng ano niya, ng audio. Pati yung dead cat niya is working fairly well. Hindi siya nakakasagap ng wind noise at low speed kahit nakabukas pa yung ating visor sa helmet. So yeah, overall, I'm really happy with this setup. Yun nga lang, hindi natin siya magagamit as a setup when we are riding with our friends using the Cardo system. Kasi obviously, wala tayong mic na nakapatong dun sa speaker ng Cardo. Let's remove the camera so I can show it to you guys. This is the selfie mode. Right now, I'm holding the camera with my left hand, obviously. And I'm filming myself, but we are still using the audio coming from the Mic Air. O diba? Super clear siya, super ganda. And I can show you the bike. Shorts gaming pala tayo today kasi nandito lang naman tayo sa neighborhood. There you go. As you can see, the front of the bike, we're saying what's up. Kala mo nag-ano tayo no? Titricks tayo no? Mamaya, simple lang tayo dito. Tawanan kayo dyan sa akin. But yeah, so like I said, it's a really good setup. You know, I can't really complain. Super clear yung audio and quality niya. And I think it's a good buy if you're already with the Insta360 family. Pagka meron ka nung X4, X5 or something, and then the Ace Pro 2. I think with the firmware adjustment, it should also work even on the first Ace Pro. Yeah, kasi alam ko yung mic was released. When was it released? It was released earlier this year, mga I don't know if it's summertime or just before summer. Nirelease nila yung Insta360 Mic Air. So ibalik uli natin yung ating camera dito sa helmet. Ayan, naririnig mo naman yung click na nakamount na siya uli sa helmet mo. And we can look at the side mirror. I hope you guys can see that. Yan na, nakakonect na tayo dyan. Ang nakikita ko lang downside nito is maybe the battery life of the Ace Pro 2. Baka medyo bumilis siya kasi you're using another source of power. Yung alam ko yung Bluetooth connection, nakakalakas ng gamit ng baterya yan eh. So we haven't tested yet, pero I'm thinking na ganun yung possible na mangyayari pagka lagi ka naka Bluetooth mic. Alright, so we are finally home. Nagawa natin yung testing natin sa mic, pero hindi natin nakuha yung mail kasi sarado. Holiday pala today. Alright, so that is it for us today. Like I said, we are just testing the mic. Good quality. I know for sure, I'm confident na maganda yung audio na lumalabas dito sa mic na nasa loob ng ating helmet. And hopefully we can use it on some short vlogs. I don't know kung paano lang tayo magiging ka-efficient pag gagamitin natin siya sa mga big bike kasi paano ba? Kasi you have to make sure that you're always turning on the mic itself, tapos nag-prepare siya dun sa camera. And you have to see the volume indicator na gumagana siya bago mo siya pabayaan. Kasi once na hindi nag-pair yun, walang audio na lalabas sa helmet mo. Ang audio na lalabas is yung nanggagaling mismo sa Ace Pro 2. So puro wind noise yun, I would think. Alright, so that's our testing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or may natutunan kayo kahit paano sa ating Ace Pro 2 and Mic Air connectivity for moto vlogging or for what we do. Obviously, maganda naman yung kinalabasan niya. What do you guys think? So, comment down below. Let me know if meron pa kayo napansin or meron pa tayong kailangan i-adjust. And we will test it out. Or if there's anything that I should test habang day off tayo, di ba? Alright. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace!